If you want to know the easiest method to make this, then keep on watching. These are the materials that you will need: a stitch marker, a hook, scissors, and of course your yarn. To start, you're going to take your yarn tail, put it on your fingers, and take the longer piece and cross it over the tail. And then you're going to pull up the loop like that and take the longer piece and pull it through that loop. And it should look like this. Again, cross the yarn over the tail, then pull it through the loop. Again, cross the yarn over the tail and pull it through the loop. And now you're going to take your hook and put it through that loop that you just made. And then you're just going to chain one like you normally would. And that is how you start the magic ring. It should look just like this. And now you're going to crochet into the ring, and you want to make sure that you're crocheting over the tail. Because if you don't crochet over the tail, then you won't be able to pull it and tighten it. If you aren't able to do this, then you need to go back and make sure that you're crocheting over it. When you're finished with your stitches, slip stitch into the very first one that you did. And it should look like this. Now, to make things a little bit easier, I like to put a stitch marker into the stitch that I slip stitch into, because when you're working in a magic ring, you're working in a round, so sometimes it gets difficult to know where your first stitch is. Now to finish it, you're just going to chain one, cut your yarn, and pull your hook through just like you would end anything else. And that is how you make a magic ring, and I hope that you like the tutorial.